Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yasir Al-Hayat. My student ID is 2573 2510732012. In this video, I'm going to make a video of explanation. In this video, I'm going to make a video about what I understand about the material that Mr. Hanafi sent on I learned. The title is The Sound of Speech. In English, words is made of sound. The smallest sound that can change the meaning called a phoneme. For example, bat and cat. Those are have different meaning. The B sound for bat and K sound for cat. Sometimes vowel also have varieties. It's called allophone. It is a little bit different, but don't change the meaning. For example, is a P sound in the word pen and spin. Linguists use EPA or International Phonetic Alphabet. So let's move to consonant. Consonant is described by three parts. First is voicing. Voicing is if the vocal cords vibrating or not. The next one is place. Place is where the sound is made, like lips or tongue. The last one is manner. Manner is how the air comes out and make the sound. Let's move to vowels. Vowel is described by the position of tongue, like the back or front, the high or low. English is also have syllable. Syllable is syllable is a unit of sound and syllable is a unit of sound in a word. Syllable has three parts. First is onset or beginning consonant. The second one is nucleus or vowel, and the last one is coda or the ending consonant. English is also have stress. Stress is when a syllable is stronger. So it's all about that. It's all that I can. It's all that I understand about the material. Uh, I'm sorry if I make a mistake. Make any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.